Well, we can make computers entertain us better, train us better, teach us better, communicate with us in more natural ways. And ultimately, I think that because story is such an important aspect of the human experience, these computer systems are going to be able to talk to us better in ways that we're more familiar with. They're going to seem less alien to us. And then they're also going to understand what we tell them. They're going to understand what we do on a day-to-day basis, and they can respond to us in more naturalistic sorts of ways.
Reinventing the wheel for every new type of technology that comes out, that's not necessary though, especially not in human-computer interaction, especially not in user experience.
From our experience, opinion mining at its core is not a big data or an artificial intelligence problem. It's a human understanding problem. And unless we put that first, we're going to come out with the wrong answers.
And so I think we're at the very beginning of a project that I think will be one of the defining projects of the human race in the next 10 years and over the next century. And I think it's going to require a collaboration not only among computer scientists and statisticians, but also across the entire academic spectrum, people in the social sciences, philosophers, and also people who work in public policy.
So what archetypal analysis does is allow us, in a very humanly understandable way, relate each instance to one of these kind of extreme archetypes. We're basically discovering archetypes within the data set.
Once we're in this new age of modeling, we stumble into illusions in creating things that we think we're going to listen and like, and something else happens. And so this is a very fortuitous, very serendipitous effect that often has, where you're working in digital media and it goes sideways, and then you open your ears and say, wow, I think I like that.
So paradoxically, it turns out with your data, your visual data, you don't need numbers. You can do data science without numbers.
And you know, a lot of the paranoia comes from this idea of the technology and the AI and so on as some kind of alien other, when that couldn't be farther from the case. All of these things are part of us. The training data are ours, the society in which they operate are ours, the people who build them are us,